your nib's too slow and your ink won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to help you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hi folks, Larry here with Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews. Well, I just want to remind everybody that tomorrow, November the 15th, at 5 p. Central Time here, our time, it's going to be Pen Zoom Hangout time. Yes, it's what you've been waiting for. It's what you've been wanting. You've been asking. So, Brian and Lisa Anderson from Anderson Pens will be on tomorrow evening. You do not want to miss this one. Well, really, you don't want to miss any of them. But Brian and Lisa, super bad, right? Yes. You know how bubbly, jolly Lisa is. She's like all over the place. And you know, Brian, settled, real business. He's right there. Very professional, but he does smile and laugh a bit. Yes. And he does tell some cool jokes. And he drives one bad boy vet. Bad boy. Yes, love vets. So, sorry, got carried away a little bit. But I think I always do, don't I? So anyway, you want to plug up for that. So when you come into the chat room, we'll open it up at 5 p.m. So if you get there early, we can see you waiting outside the chat room, and our room manager, Frank Overman, will start letting you in. And I will be talking a little bit about the rules, and then I'll open it up after I talk to Brian and Lisa. They'll have the show, and then when they get through doing their little spiel, then you folks can interact with them. But hey, really, Brian and Lisa Anderson tomorrow at 5 p. Central Time on Larry's Fountain Pen Zoom Hangout. That's going to be dynamite. All right, folks, talk to you later. God bless each and every one of you. Rock and roll is here to stay. Peace and love all the way. Wash some hands and don't text and drive. Bye-bye.